Do you consider SARS-CoV-2 to be a product of bioweapons research?
SARS-CoV-2 is certainly the product of bioweapons research. We have a pretty good idea about when it escaped and how it escaped and the individuals who were infected. The mastermind of the bioweapons research at the Wuhan lab was Xi Zhengli, who was also known as Batwoman. And her second in command was a scientist called Ben Hu. He was one of the first 3 people to get sick. I think the best supposition that people agree on is that Ben Hu was infected along with 2 other researchers, and that they took the subway. All the initial cases of COVID-19 occurred along that subway line, which went from the Wuhan lab, and the terminus of it is at the Wuhan International Airport. It's only a few stops away to the airport, from which, of course, it spread all across the globe very, very quickly. It's known that there was a defective negative air system in the lab. It was known that throughout the lab there were very shoddy procedures, so there were 1,000 ways that these creatures could have escaped. Everybody knew that this lab was not up to par, and that if you started doing these experiments at that lab, it was virtually guaranteed that something would ultimately escape.